Well, hello. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? August 20th, Thursday. We are back live. What do we have for news on the agenda today? Looks like we had jobless claims this morning. And other than that, it looks like no news. Was that today? This is the 20th. U.S. jobless claims. It shows red folder on Financial Juice, but it doesn't show up on TradeZella dashboard. Interesting. Anyhow, is what it is. All right, how much time do we have left here? We got about 13 minutes till the bell. We've been in quite the downtrend here for what, 1, 2, 3 days, sort of. Now we're pushing down again here. Wondering if we're gonna eventually find some support. This is a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. We're kind of also back to the top of the trend line breakout area. We'll have to be patient here to see what happens here. Taking a quick look at the book map here, MNQ. Looks like we have a little bit of orders below that they just slimmed down a bit. 29,400, been kind of coming on and off. Zoom out a bit more and see where we got. So we got some orders up at 500 and some orders down at 200. So bit of a mixed bag at the moment. See if we can find anything. 29,000, we got 180 contracts. Haven't been able to get on for a couple days here, dealing with some family issues. So that's all sort of settled down a bit for the moment. Happy to be back at it. We have this low that we put in back on Thursday, August 6th. That's going to be interesting level there. 29,242. Kind of tapped equal lows here. Hey, Ryan, how you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I've been a little tied up with some family stuff going on, so hopefully should be more settled down and back at it to a more normal schedule. Kind of missed Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. So missed a couple sessions there. How's everything going for you? Oh, you dropped a quick like. I'll stick around for 5 minutes of the open, and then you got to split. Gotcha. Oh, no. That's a negative, sir. Busy fixing your house to sell? Oh, crazy. Making a move. Where are you moving to? You have a plan already? Obviously? Or an idea of where you want to go? Maybe 1 month after, maybe after holiday, depends if I get what I'm asking move to Alabama. Gotcha. I think I'm actually a little sick. My sinuses, I feel like I sound a little nasally. Yeah, right? I was kind of in and out of the hospital actually for the last couple of days. So not myself, but dealing with some family hospital issues. So I'm wondering if I picked something up at the hospital. I was freaking pretty exhausted yesterday. I spent many hours at the hospital. I don't even know. So getting a little bit of a pop here. We got about 5 minutes to the bell. Yeah, I know. I was trying to be really diligent, to like always use a hand sanitizer and stuff, not touch my face. So it could just be stress, right? So you really want to short at the open? I mean, we're looking bearish. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is that we tapped this low and found support. Now, it's too bad they didn't sweep this already. But yeah, you might be right. We might be heading for that. Midnight open price is way up there. POC's up here. POC's been activated or been tapped into anyways. So that's not, there's no 80% setup, but we might see a retracement towards midnight open price. Hey, we got 9 people watching now. Some people starting to pop in here. 7 on YouTube, 2 on X. Couple indecision candles here. We left a bullish fair value gap and we have a bearish one above. Something we can watch for an inversion. Do you have any specific targets below, Ryan? We still have this 4-hour down here, which happens to line up with the bottom of this channel. Jeez. That'd be a drop. That'd be 1,000 points to get down to that. I don't think that's happening, but I guess you never know. Only want 60 points and then got to go to work. Yeah. $29.80 minimum. I think they'll break the low from 30 minutes ago. Yeah. We do have a stacked low there, so it does make sense that that would be an initial target. So you're waiting to see 80 on the chart, and then you're going to take a short down to the lows? Oh, 280 minimum. So, hey, Joanne, good morning. Oh, I just heard a boop.
What is going on?
Hey, morning.
Good morning.
I'm a little nasally this morning. I don't know. It might be a little sick.
All right. Well, I'm glad I can't catch that through a screen.
Yeah.
You in anything?
No. That's a negative.
Holy crap. All right.
We get the
Bell
bell.
has rung.
Right back up to previous day low.
Let's see what it does with it.
I tried a little short scalp there. It didn't seem to work out. Getting a bit of a pop here again, right through 29,440 area. Did we lose Nick there? Seems like we lost him. You want to? We will see. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Gotta have that wide ass stop loss. Pretty strong bounce here. Found a little bit of resistance at, looks like the 9 EMA. Pulling back a little bit. Not too drastic, though. It looks like the buyers are still trying to hold this level. Buyers holding the 400 level here pretty solidly. A little bit of break below the 400s here, right down to the 95s. We got a bunch of orders there at the 90s now. Looks like they kind of were acting like support there. 1700 CBD here. Right back down to the below the 400s here. Now we're finding a little bit of support right at the 80s. Trying to push it back down a bit. Ooh, what a bounce. Are you in a different location now, Nick?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm not at the cheap shitty hotel now, so.
Gotcha.
Oh, that was a bounce.
Yeah. Right down to the 70s. Hey, there's Jerry in the house.
It's like buyers are now in control.
Yeah.
But it's only 6 minutes into the session, so not gonna get stupid quite yet.
Fair, fair. Chris, not fully awake yet?
Well, that loud bell didn't wake you up?
The opening bell?
I'll jump out of my damn skin every time I hear that. All right. Just took my long. 30 bucks. Well, 36.50.
Again and again.
So I did take a $180 loss on 20 accounts this morning.
Oh, shoot.
And then on 5 of those accounts, I am up, well, between 900 and 963 now.
All right.
So a little bit above break even.
That's nice. But you still have 15 that are a little bit drawdown.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a reasonable loss, though.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with my $180 losses and my $900 gain.
Yeah.
Been a long scalp right now on NQ. I'm locking in 50 bucks. Oh, 42. Now 60. 75.
Very nice.
102. All right, I'm out. So now I'm only down 80 bucks.
That's no big deal.
Yeah, I'm liking the way today is looking. Oh. What's going on with NQ now?
I just gotta use the bathroom. Be right back. 1 sec. Sorry.
All right. I'm glad I didn't stay in that trade. We got a whole bunch of orders down underneath us. Between 375 and 325, there's a couple hundred orders there. There's 187 at 29,500 though. And 126 at 29,700 and 171 at 30,000. So keep that in mind. Buyers are fighting to take control of this right now. All right, middle long scalp. Oh, and it immediately goes down. All right, we're absorbing some of the orders. We absorbed them at 450. Still got some at 455, 460, and 470. There's about 77 orders at 460 right now. And I think it's about to take those. Get up there. Seem to have a little bit of resistance right at the 50s. See if we can push past that.
Here we go. I'm done, boys. Nick, see you tomorrow. Nice. I went back
See you in the morning.
and learned the hard way how bad my sleep schedule had grown. I got thrown off. Yeah, there you go, Ryan. Good thing I waited. YouTube wasn't showing me your channel. Couldn't even find it in my subs. Really?
Really?
Check your notifications. You know, this is what I think this might happen because you know, I took the 2 days off, right? Algorithm. Well, a day and a half off anyways. Yeah, check your bell. Check your bell notification. Hey, Tim, good morning. Normally it's on the front page whenever you're live. Oh, yeah.
Weird.
Sometimes the algorithm is not very friendly.
All right, I got 15 micros and a short here. And I'm out.
Ooh, 15 micros. Very nice. Right back to previous day low here.
See if it breaks through it. If so, I'll take another short scalp. My next 10 micros. Locking in 200. 250.
Very nice.
And I'm out. Stop me out about 250.
Gotcha. Did you guys hear about the 23-hour a day trading? Shouldn't affect the market much in your opinion, since the banks open at the same time, right? Yeah, that's a good point. It should, but you never know. I mean, algorithms and stuff they'll be firing, right? When news and things like that happen. Do certain subs penalize you for really short trades?
Some of them, if it's under 20 seconds, they do.
Oh, yeah.
Another short scalp here. Locking in 100.
Okay, Ryan, you have a great day, bro. Mark.
All right, I got those 5 accounts up to over 1,000 each. I'm going to lock these ones out.
Nice.
On to the next basket.
Beautiful. Maybe Asian session will be fire now. Yeah, if this ends up chopping all day, maybe Asia will be the one that pops.
Wow, these short scalps are definitely working out for me.
Yeah. Yeah, we basically just retraced the entire move up there out of the bell.
Take a look at oil and see what that's doing right now. Oh, there's a big gap up, 20-cent gap up between yesterday's close, today's open.
Really?
Yeah. Oil prices are close to VWAP in the 86.40s. Has been coming down slowly since about 8:30 a.m.
If MES speeds up during Asia because of 23-hour, I'd like Gordon, I'm rich. Where the heck did Gordon go anyways?
Need to find that man.
Where's this guy?
A wealth of knowledge he is.
Yeah, he was usually had some pretty good callouts.
Like we got a little bit of support at the 320s, but it's coming right back down to it now.
Yeah, they kind of have a bullish fair value gap down there. It looks sort of like a low volume node, which is basically the same thing, but we need to file a missing person report. It's been longer than 48 hours. He probably just took the money and ran and went on vacation or something. He'll be back, hopefully. Is that a motorbike in the background?
Yeah.
Nice. It was like it's only a vacation if you come back. Right? Very valid there, Chris.
Yeah.
Very valid. Looking at another opportunity to short here, Nick, possibly. Oh, we're above the VWAP.
Nope. Oh, VWAP. We're not looking at shorts. Yeah, I can't get into anything at this point.
Yeah, looking like they're trying to go higher there, but it was all up front.
All right, guys. So in the pre-market, we were talking about the traders post. I just sent Mike a message, and there is a free trial. It is 7 days, and it does not start until you send your first trade. So,
oh, nice.
We were talking about copy trading in the pre-market a bit.
Yeah,
I just wanted to clarify that with Mike a little bit.
Well, it looks like that was another short opportunity at the VWAP. 100.1 minute candle at the open. Really? Was that what it was? Let's see. This one right here. Yeah, pretty much, right? 91. Close enough. Whew. It was a big one.
But we got the double break
Of the opening range.
Yep.
Pushed out an update to the volume and delta profile. I need to. Looks like mine's showing up to date.
All right, I got my 3 micro long in here right now.
Just take a quick look at the book map here. We have some orders down 29,300. And kind of not much other to say other than that. Oh, some down at 240. 55, 117 at 250, 139
right.
at 300.
Out of that, lost 80 bucks.
Let me take a look at. I haven't refreshed that page, so I don't know. Sometimes, yeah, it shows. Yeah, it doesn't show it. Let's see here.
All right, I'm locking in 1650 on this. Locking in 30. Only got 3 micros in this long right now.
Yeah.
Locking in 54. So I'm locking in 54 on Tradeify. That means if it does tap me out, I'll make like 48. Which, just because of the spread, the NASC spread.
Hey, Dave, just want to check out how long it usually takes to receive the code for the account you won last Sunday. I don't think you won an account, bro. Chill out. You just got an extra duck for the duck race. So we only had one account to give out, and that was won by who won that again? Oh, it was Adam Daz won the account. So if we ran some more duck races, I think you won one after the actual duck race. That was just for extra ducks into the next Sunday race. So sorry about any confusion there. Unfortunately, I only have one account to give away per week. Wish I had more. Yeah, Adam Daz won the account, right? Yeah. Hey, no problem. But next Sunday, that means you'll have more than one duck in the race, which is always good. Makes a better chance to win.
All right, now this price action is starting to irritate me. So
yeah.
So what are you looking at here, Dave?
I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about taking along here. We're kind of pulling back into these bullish fair value gaps, but I'm a little concerned that, obviously we've been looking pretty heavy the last few minutes here.
Yeah. We also have 119 orders at 250 on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about a reversal today? Somebody was asking about them in the pre-market about trading reversals.
Like for price to go higher from now, or
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, often we do that, right? We get a pretty strong bullish day, but we'll have to see. I mean, at this moment, it's hard to say we're going to get a full blown kind of reversal, right?
I just took a long, locking in $30.
Very nice. Blacko News says I wouldn't get bullish until above 470. Yeah, that's pretty valid. I mean, technically 544. That's a previous day's POC. That's when I'd really be feeling bullish, but that's quite a ways away.
Yeah, a little bit.
I mean, 200 points isn't that hard to get to, but what did I miss there? Chill out. Oh, he's from Kazakhstan. Nice. Black News 474 on eval, 131 on a 50K funded, and 2,000 to go before payout. Taken forever, 2 weeks now. Hey, that's not too long. Slow and steady, bro. You got this. No need to rush it, you know? It's simple math. The more giveaways you have, the more people you will want wanting giveaways. It's basic supply and demand. It's not the first time that that's happened where people have won a duck and then they've been like patiently waiting for me to send them a code, and then they're like a couple days later like, hey, I didn't get a code, what's going on? Kind of thing. It's like, oh, sorry, I think you got it confused. Treat that funded like a baby. Trying to get above the VWAP here. Keep getting rejected off of it. It's on a very strong down slope.
All right, so I just put in a 3 micro long. It's 29,352.50 was my entry. I've got $50 locked in. It's 3 micros, and I've got my take profit set at 29,520.
Okay.
So if this plays out and continues to go up, I make $1,000 on this one.
Oh, nice.
On 3 micros.
That's a big profit there.
It's not looking like it's going to play out at the moment, but we shall see. I got my stop loss and profit already. I'm up a couple $100.
Nice.
And
come on, NQ, give him a pop. Give him a pop.
yeah, give me a big pop. I want like,
Where's one of those BCs? We haven't seen many of those lately.
oh, that would be so nice. Give me a BC. Just added another micro to it on this pullback, pulling my stop loss back up to $50 in profit. So the worst that could happen is the worst thing that could happen is I make $50.
Nice.
Scroll up to my stop loss or my take profit. The best thing that could happen is I make $1,274.
Let's go for the best outcome here. Would be nice.
I'm hoping. I mean, that would be that'd be a great way to end my day. Come on, go NQ, go, 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 go.
Lots of resistance here at the VWAP. Little pop here, little pop. Pop it up. Just take about. Need a little breakout from the VWAP.
Right, I'm up 71 ticks, up 61, up 32, 43. Come on, stop messing with me. Oh, it just edged my my stop loss.
Oh,
It was 1 tick away from taking me out of that trade.
wow.
That's not fun. So I do have my my take profit at yesterday's close.
Oh, gotcha.
That's why I chose that for a target, in case you were wondering. All right, adding one more micro to this, bringing my stop loss back up to $50.
Nice.
Like those nice round numbers.
Mm-hmm. I mean, technically, we haven't broken the top side of the opening range. So that's up at 29,471.
Wow, it just edged my stop loss again. Oh, took it. All right, I made $50.
Nice. There you go.
All right, I made $50. Cool.
Well, the price isn't being very nice today again.
Nope, it is not. It's like we've got gaps to fill on everything here. M2K, RT, RTY, ES, everything needs or everything has got a gap between yesterday's close and today's open. And they're sizable. It's not like they're small gaps.
Night Build Audio says he was thinking it might pop to VWAP and then down to 28,000. Ooh. That's a pretty big call to the downside.
28,000?
Yeah, that's really far.
Yeah, that's
not in my realm.
I could definitely see 29,000.
Did I read that wrong? Nope. 28,000. Maybe he's not saying exactly 28,000, but there is a bunch of orders here below 320, 310, 300.
We got 201 orders at 29,000 right now. The CBD is negative 4,300.
He did mean 29K, not 28.
Okay.
29,070. That's what I was like, wonder something might be a typo.
I mean, and you were pretty spot on. It went up, it fought with VWAP for a little bit, it came back down under it. And then on the 10-15 candle, came back up, tapped VWAP and pushed down. Nice call. I don't know if you took that trade or not, but it was definitely a good call.
Oh, you did take a short on the first pop? Rejection of the VWAP? Nice.
Just took another short scalp for 35 ticks.
Taught me where it's done. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through.
Oh,
What a pop there, hey?
all the way back to VWAP. Now is it going to do the same thing and push back down?
I did scalp that 150 in my TPT Pro account.
Nice.
I entered 331, exited 371. Love those break-even buttons, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40.
I want to hit my 200 again. I want to
that's
touch
crazy.
that button. It doesn't get enough love. And that's probably because I'm not good enough trader to be hitting that on a regular basis. So
Looks like there's support at the orb low. So I'm waiting to see excuse me. Waiting to see if that breaks before going in again. Nice.
I'm waiting to see if this closes above VWAP and holds. If it
Drew,
does,
Drew says, ugh, that was terrible. Bad candle, bad candle. Bad candle.
oh, excuse me.
So I've been the reason I've been away is because I've been dealing with a family member in the hospital.
Oh no.
Yeah. So it's been a stressful couple days here.
Yeah, and I know exactly how that is. Is everything going in the right direction, I hope?
Yeah. I mean, it's as right as it can be, which is good. So, yeah.
All right, we're getting a break of the New York VWAP right now.
Trustable? I don't know. How many times now are we going to go back to the VWAP? That was basically why I took that long. Because I'm like, we're probably going back to the VWAP again.
Yeah, I mean, and that was a perfect trade. You had it bounce off of that -2 deviation band. It went back up to VWAP. Now it's playing with VWAP. And it's looking like we got a little bit of resistance here.
Yeah.
Looking at the overall trend for the day, I'm going to say I'm a little bit bearish, but I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes.
Yeah.
There is still that possibility of hitting the gap fill, 29,518 or 19, somewhere around there. Yeah, look at that push through.
Yeah, nice take of the view up there.
Oh yeah. Still got under a minute for this candle to close. We'll see how the next one starts printing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to step away for just 1 second. I'll be right back.
Sounds good. All right, well, we held the view up there.
Crack it and cute, don't gone dark. Tag the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking, red and green. The room is still.
You were talking about Globex VWAP, yeah. Oh yeah, gotcha. Yeah, Globex is up there a bit higher. Back below the VWAP here, previous day low.
Taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left, I need to brag. Nothing left, I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do.
Hey, I'm back. Yes, Angia. Thank you. How's your morning going, Angia? I look so upset. I've been just dealing with some family stuff, so I'm a little bit stressed out, a little bit tired, so. Things are okay at the moment, so that's good. Thanks for checking in. One account got cooked, hit daily loss, but the other accounts are green. Nice. Good job. Thanks, Joanne.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. Attack the close it, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking, red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted.
Azar, good morning.
Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back.
We'll see you next week. A lot of things to do with my father who will move. Okay.
Now the candle stopped to burn right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with the face.
So what happened while I was on my 10-minute vacation?
Not a whole lot. Pulled back below the VWAP again.
Yeah, it's looking like it's just going to keep going to VWAP and then back down.
Yeah.
Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open.
We do
You
have
have
midnight open
orders.
price above, but that doesn't necessarily mean that much.
Not with this price action, it doesn't. We got orders underneath us right now at 340 and 320.
Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me.
All right, I just took 23 ticks on a short.
Very nice. Fattest volume profile ever seen. Big T.
Feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
VWAP's MNQ VWAP is currently 29,378.
So we're at it again. And here's the little rejection off it again.
Previous day low.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. Attack the close it, left a mark. First
Looks like oil's going back up again.
P&L blinking, red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night.
There's some sort of news. Armed forces targeted near Nadran Airport and Amro oil facilities using attack drones.
Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head fade,
Great.
waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the
Again, NQ's fighting with VWAP.
Yeah.
Let's all do the Chris Drysdale thing and just level the deviation band to deviation band.
Hmm. I just checked for invite only scripts you need to remove and add for updates. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
All right, just got a couple points on a short off of VWAP. Oh, 5 points. All right, I'll take it.
Nice.
And a long 2 VWAP, and I'm out. That was a fast $200.
Very nice.
Not loving this price action, yeah.
No. Back to VWAP again. And then they're probably going to find some resistance right here again.
And come back down. All right, just put in another short. Gonna start messing with me now? What's happening? I got some sell volume balls on Bookmap.
Pulling back down to the 70s.
Now back up into the 80s, 90, mid 80s. Come on, push down. That's not what I wanted to see happen. All right, I took a loss on that one.
Quite the green candle. Aggressive buyer just stepped in. Yeah, seems that way. But for how long? Right?
That is the question of the day. How long are these buyers going to be in here? Now, are we going to get a double break today? Get above, back up above 29,470?
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
Yeah. Jerry says, so chop day? This market's chopped.
Yeah.
Looks like we have about 17 people watching, and 5 in X. There's 17 in YouTube, 5 in X. 18. 23 total. Decent turnout for the morning. That's not bad. The market must have teamed up with Gordon Ramsay. Yeah. Chopping it. Chop, chop, chop.
Maybe. All right, I got my long in, average price 29,412. I'm up 81 ticks. Let's put in my break even plus 10.
Nice.
Let's see if it does this double break and gets above that 470 level.
Yeah. Got a cluster of orders above showing up, sort of 440, 450, 460, 470. Right. So it looks like it.
I'm going to cross my fingers. I'm up 80 ticks right now. 70, 69. Oh, it's coming back. I don't like it. All right, stop me out. I took my 10 points on that. Czar's trading gold today. Yeah, it looks like silver and gold are both steadily moving up.
Another sweet session on gold. Okay. The longs. Yeah, so it's kind of like the opposite of this. Seems like we've been getting shorts off the VWAP.
Watching my calls flying by right now. All right, now I normally do not trade silver, but
Yeah.
I am actually in a silver long at 67.80.
Oh, nice.
Something.
Are you in the NQ still?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Were you still in the NQ long? Or that one?
No, I took that off.
Oh,
I
you got
took
stuff.
5 points in profit.
Nice.
I'm up 25 ticks in the silver trade right now.
Wow.
Like I said, I normally don't like to trade silver, but this is too clean. Getting a little bit of a pullback here.
Liquidity heartbreak.
I got my 3 micros in. I'm up 225.
Ooh, nice. Wow, 3 micros. That's a lot of money on a couple micros, eh? What was the trade idea? You breaking the VWAP or something?
It stayed above VWAP, came down to the standard 1 deviation band.
Mm-hmm.
There was a little bit of a retracement on one of the 5-minute candles, and then Bookmap was showing orders up above.
Yeah.
So I'm up 30 ticks now. up 350. I'm in now with 5 micros total. Up 41 ticks.
Now you're hungry, craving a big steak from either Gordon Ramsay or Wolfgang Puck's restaurant in Las Vegas? Ooh, sounds good. Wolfgang. Why is it Wolfgang Puck's? Like referring to like steaks? It's shaped like a hockey puck?
That's his name.
Oh, okay. Never mind then. Like I just imagined he's saying a steakhouse, and I'm like, oh, so they're just talking about a bunch of hockey puck steaks.
You do not want to refer to your steak as a hockey puck.
That's true.
It's like when Clint Eastwood opened up his burger joint and it went out of business because nobody wanted to eat a burger called the Dirty Harry.
Oh, fair is fair. Is that a true story?
More stupid dad jokes with Uncle Nicky. All right, we're up 43 ticks on this.
Silver, hey?
Yep. Up 485 so far. Up. Now 38 ticks.
I don't know about you, but I'd totally love a Dirty Harry steak.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Thanks, no thanks.
So I'm up 51 ticks, 995. $63 ticks.
Sounds like Silver's the one to trade though. NQ's kind of again doing his thing. Is right back to the VWAP. We're below the VWAP for a while, then we popped up it. And now we're heading back down to it, and we're see, are they gonna push it up here again? I don't know. Maybe.
I'm up 1500 here. Not seeing a reason to get out of this quite yet. Still up 66 ticks. Tiny little bit of a pullback here.
Yeah, Jerry, filet mignon does have a puck shape. It's usually round and has bacon wrapped on it. And hey, the Mano Chef, how you doing? Good morning. Canadians compare everything to pucks, eh? Yeah. That's true, that's true. Some trucks driving by. Frank's going crazy over there. Like, hey, what's going on? Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Tell that dog to chill.
Chill out. Take a chill pill, Mr. Franker. Locking out. Gold's going crazy. Not looking to be greedy. Locking out and relaxing now. Nice job, Czar. Good job on your session today. It's always nice.
I am closing out some of my positions on this silver trade. All my Lucid accounts I'm closing individually. Just getting rid of the open orders.
Definitely not a market to be greedy in. Yeah, Chris.
I'm up 109 ticks on this right now.
Wow.
So I took my profits on all my Lucid accounts. It did not take that trade on Tradeify nor on Take Profit because you can't trade metals on those.
Big T says, "Holy F! Why didn't you tell us about gold, Czar?" It's like I think you did a couple times. You mentioned it.
Oh, Wow, I should probably close these. I just passed all of my Apex accounts.
Oh, very nice. Sweet.
Well, that's nice. My first day trading them.
Wow. Good for you.
Yeah, I'm like $700 over my profit target. So I'm closing these ones. Close all. Dun dun dun. Oh, wow. This is just
Beautiful.
stupid right now. Not able to close this one. Hold on.
And that's a hourly. The hourly candle just started here. 11 a.m. candle. What's annoying about TradingView is you can't have two separate windows logged in to your broker. Oh yeah, that's true. That's kind of the annoying part for sure. Like, because I do all my executions typically off of Tradeify, and sometimes I'll switch between accounts on Tradeify, but then then I gotta like go back to TradingView and switch it to like the right account, log out of this one, log into another one. It's like, wish I could just like have them all connected and then just like easily just like click between any one, right?
Holy schmegmopolis.
Whoa, what the heck? This is the hourly candle.
Silver just launched up. I'm up 150 ticks right now.
Holy crap.
So this trade, I'm up. Oh, on this, I've only got one account now trading this. And it's up 1565.
Very nice. There's that VWAP
157 ticks up.
on NQ.
Just added another micro to this.
I gotta take a look at silver now. Holy smokes, man.
Yep.
Gold and silver looking insane. RTY got a big pop there too.
All right, I'm in now with 4 micros total. And after my add-ins, I'm up 92 ticks.
Nice. Even YM's turning bullish at the moment.
Wow, this is Showing a little bit of resistance on the silver trade up at the 68.80 level. If it can break through that.
NQ's just fallen here all the way back to the New York from, it was at, took the New York, went all the way to the overnight, and then all the way back down to the New York. Hey. I could use the bathroom. Quick, be right back.
All right, I took my 45 ticks on that trade. I'm still afraid of silver's $5 a tick, even on micros. So am I. I'm not even going to play that that doesn't occasionally terrify me. But look at the looking at the movement on it right now. This is just a clean run up. Every once in a while, you do end up with a bit of good luck. Oh, wow. I think that's a sound this is making as it's just falling off this cliff. Ready for a splat? All right. Well, I think my trading day is done. Managed to make up my pre-market losses. Everybody got to see me make a $180 mistake first thing in the morning. That's always nice. So, I'll be back in uno momento.
Sorry about that, I'm back. Looks like the market's been going down here. NQ anyways. Did Nick end up closing that trade, obviously? You're still afraid of silver's $5 a tick, even on micros? Yeah, it's pretty crazy, isn't it? Hey, Yamadad. Good morning. Wow. And silver making a new high here almost. You guys in any trades at the moment? Anybody? Yeah, silver making a new high here. Jeez. I'm just so scared to trade these guys, to be honest. They're so risky. I feel like I'm just gonna blow an account. But that was a beautiful long from 68,500 all the way up to 68,950. Jeez. You shorted gold right now? Well, be careful. Be careful. Because silver's making a new high, so gold might end up following. Treasury Secretary Besant, I'm going to hold a press conference on Monday regarding the Iran plans. So you've been doing small scalps on MNQ? Nice, Chris. Nice. Bullish, bearish, or just in both directions, Chris? You're not even caring if you see anything on the table? Oh, yeah. Yeah, silver's making a new high here again. Trying to. Pushing all the way up to the highs. Silver's a wild beast, guys. Try to tame it. Yeah, do not be greedy in this market. Don't try to hold. Yeah, I'll probably end up shutting down the stream here in about 15 minutes, everybody. I gotta get back to the hospital a little bit later today, and I got a bunch of things to take care of throughout the day here, so silver breaks above it. Oh, touch of 70. Yeah, this price action is not nice at all. Yeah, I got some family member in the hospital I need to go visit. You're done for the day. Up 1,000 on one of my new TOF 50Ks. Nice job, Tim. Wow. Hey, thanks, Chris. Yeah, I'll be on tonight. That's the plan, anyways. Yeah, thanks. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks, Night Build. Tim's on fire. $1,000. Wow, good for you. That's great. Are you at work right now, obviously, Tim? I want to go to a farm market or a farm shop. Those stores are so fun. It actually worked out with you not being on. Work was insane the last 2 nights. They got behind while I was gone. Oh, yeah, I bet. They need Chris in the house to take care of some biz. Well, I was hoping we were going to get some sort of good price action. We're probably going to have to wait till as soon as I get off, and then price is going to go. Guess what, guys? We're ripping. We're picking a direction, and we are going. All the way back down to the lows here. We didn't get the double break. Almost tapped into this bearish fair value gap from pre-market, similar to these highs. Tapped the overnight VWAP and then rejected here. We're now at the -2 deviations from the VWAP. Okay, well, they're pushing back down. We have orders down there at 312 and 300. The orders down at 300 have been coming on and off for some time now. Like, look at the book map, guys. It's just like some gross look. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bit of an accumulation stage here. Did Nick say he was gone, or is he coming back, or what?
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. We live. Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
You think the screaming monkeys got him? Like, we got you, we got you. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of a challenge right now. It's like my mind is saying, hey, we should go long here because we found support so many times. But it's like we also just rejected off the overnight VWAP. And this could be like the move that they needed to like sort of, get the momentum to take this lower. We do have these sort of equal lows down at 29,239 from Thursday, August 6th. And then now today, pre-market, but I just can't do it. Now we're below the -2 deviation band too.
Hey, sorry about that. I was attacked by howler monkeys.
Oh yeah.
I had to make a call.
Yeah, no.
So anything happened while I was away?
Big Teflon said, I think the screaming monkeys got him. Silver pulled back a little bit. Not really. NQ's all the way back down to the lows now. So nothing happening, really.
So I've made like 1,800 on that silver trade.
Whew. Yeah, I'm small green on the day, 305, and then I did pick up 3 Lucid daily evals, and I'm up 173 in all 3 of those.
Very nice.
So $300 on the day. I'm kind of just ready to call it, to be honest. Price action's not nice.
You're kidding? I live in this area.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Bouncing between deviation bands, going back up to VWAP, passing through it, making my butthole pucker up. Blood pressure's through the roof. It's actually not, but I do want to check my Lucid accounts here. So you can trade metals on Lucid?
Yeah, I think so.
So full disclosure, my Lucid accounts were down by $1,000 after my loss. My Lucid accounts were down by $1,000.
Oh wow.
After my $180 loss this morning.
Yeah.
I don't know why the hell those ones are so shitty right now. But they are currently up over 300. So in total. And so I got it back up over the 50,000 mark.
Beautiful.
Take profit trader. Those are all good. And I passed all 5 of those Apex accounts.
That's amazing.
So not a bad day.
Yeah.
I mean, especially considering the
Price action?
The hui that we had for price action today.
Yeah, it's 11:30.
Yeah, I think it's about time to call it and go use my birthday present from my son to go cut up some bananas and coconuts.
Oh, nice.
I've been joking about because of where I am, just carrying a machete around 100% of the time. Oh, you laugh, but when I first got here, you got to remember I'd never been here before. So I started noticing that half the time you're driving down the road, you see people walking on the street and they're just, you know, wearing a pair of shorts, no shirt, flip-flops with a machete hanging off their side. And I'm like, all right, interesting. But that's how they do landscaping around here, because the jungle overtakes everything.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Like in the US and Canada, when you're driving down the road, you've got a little bit of space between the road and the trees. Here, the jungle actually grows out onto the roads quite a bit. So I was joking with my son about it and said that he said he's going to get me a Tico sword. So he bought me a machete for my birthday, which
cool.
I think is hilarious. And it's one of the smaller ones. It's only about, yay big. But it's perfect for coconuts. Big Teflon. If I had a good excuse for carrying a machete, I'd carry a machete. Yeah, I mean, I've always carried a small pocket knife because they come in handy for everything. Never thought that I'd have a reason to carry basically a miniature sword. Seems kind of like a ridiculous thing to carry, but if you're on the beaches here and you want some coconuts, yeah. One of my friend's dad hikes with a machete, always trips me out when he walks a log across a river carrying it. Yeah, no, thank you. No. I would fall off that log, hit the water, and somebody would find my body and think it was a murder like 3 days later down the river.
Right.
Keep it in the sheath. Well, Dave, you're green for the day, right?
Yeah. I was just going through all my accounts and making sure everything is closed.
That's the same thing I'm doing right now.
I was just like every tab, cancel all, exit all, cancel all, exit all. There we go.
Are you in your Traders Post doing that?
I did check Traders Post on the dashboard, but then I just went through all of them and Tradeify and just did it for every account. So just to guarantee, because I just got a weird message, like a Tradeify message saying like 2 minutes ago, it was like sold MNQ 29335, but it must have been like a slow notification because I'm like, there's nothing in my account. So
So my Lucids are all shut down. Oh, I'm sorry, not all of those Lucid accounts were down that far. 3 of them are actually up. I thought they were all exactly the same. I must have got these at different times. All right. Well, that's nice.
Very nice. Yeah. Well,
let's get the heck out of here and go touch some grass, or you can call your girlfriend Clee and go meet up with her. Hey, good luck with your family member being in the hospital. I hope everything is on the upswing.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
So on that note, thanks everybody. And if you joined me for the pre-market, double thank you. And if you haven't joined me for the pre-market, come watch me lose trades before New York Open. Seriously. That's like, I always take at least one losing trade during the pre-market. So, I mean, come on over, laugh at me, make some comments, tell me I'm an idiot for going long when I should have went short. And yeah, bust my balls a little bit. I'm down for it.
Nice.
All right, Dave, be good. You streaming tonight?
Yes.
All right, have fun, and I will see you mañana.
Okay. See you next. Bye. Yeah, guys, let's wrap it up here. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate it. We'll be live tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. So let's do our usual little shout out on the exit. Joanne, Jerry, Chris, Big T, Ryan, All Day Today, The Mano, Wrong Trade Jim, Drew 69 Malibu, Yamadad, Chill Out Project, Czar Trader, Tim Core, Blackout News, Skeletor, and Angia. So thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys hanging out. So would love to. Okay, guys. Yeah. So come hang out tonight. See you for the afternoon Asia session, whatever you want to call it, the evening Asia session, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So appreciate you guys for tuning in and hitting the like and joining everything and all that, all that good stuff. So we'll see you guys later. So thanks a lot, everyone. Bye. See you. Yeah, Chris, thanks. See ya.
Liquidity sits, stack lows, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Base hits only. Trade like an adult. Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, MNQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only, trade like another. Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like another. Yeah. Chill. Trade like Canado, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take it stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, that we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Oh, the candle! Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only, trade like another. Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like another. Yeah. Chill. Trade like Canado, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback.